We're in the market of producing safe food for our own families and for other people to eat. We live on this farm and in this community. We drink the water. Our well is in the middle of our yard, so it's a top priority to have good, safe, quality food to eat.
My name is Mark Sloan. I'm from Clearwater, Manitoba here, and I'm a fourth generation grain and seed farmer.
We farm on the family farm with Sloan Agri-Ventures. Mark and I are both agronomists, and we farm with our 3 children, Kyle, Todd, and Brad.
We started farming ourselves in 1997, and we started out with my mom and dad. Worked together with them for a number of years, and they've slowly transcended into retirement. He's often my right-hand man if I need an extra set of hands, and he's still more than willing to jump in and give us a hand. And we're in the process of working towards bringing in the next generation at this point.
Farming is a lot better when all 3 boys are around. They are at the age where they are huge helps. And yeah, it's sure enjoyable when you've got the whole family involved and everybody just knows what to do because they've been born and raised on the farm.
I think our focus here is to try and use a diverse rotation so that we're no more than 1 in 4 years when we grow a crop. And that's just to make sure that we're not piling pest and disease and fertility challenges on top of what Mother Nature's already going to throw at us in any given season. So crops like soybeans have allowed us to be less reliant on nitrogen fertilizer in particular. And I think everything that we do on a daily basis here really is with the focus of the environment and the land, the people, the livestock. That's all the focus of ours with every decision we make. So Don and I both have our degree in agriculture, and we both worked in the agronomy sector. When we made the decision to really commit to the farm full time, we identified that we would have time and energy and a desire to continue with that.
Yeah, as agronomists here at Sloan Agri-Ventures, our hope is to make sure that the seed is successful for our customers and their farms on their business.
It's been a really good move for us. It's allowed us to work with some really great growers, like our customer base. I'd like to think we add tremendous value to them, but at every step along the way, they add tremendous value back to us as well. We learn from our entire customer base, and so it's been something we've really enjoyed and want to continue. Yeah, so the role that research plots play, that is a very good question. There's hardly a field that we've got that doesn't have a plot of some sort in it. And I think they all serve a purpose in terms of supporting results that we're seeing statistically, but also putting products or practices out on a larger scale so that we can evaluate them on a field scale.
It gives us comfort that we know that we're offering the right product for the right acre next season, and it's working in our local area.
Yeah, so our top priority, I think, here is to provide the newest information we can find to our customers and help them to be successful. I think our pod set from here to here is probably good. Yeah. What really charges my batteries is being in the field and picking up soil and smelling soil and digging for seed and looking at plants, and that's really what I enjoy the most on the farm, is just watching that crop grow and seeing how it's developing. There just isn't a grower that you're going to talk to in Manitoba that isn't really proud of what they do, really aware of what they're doing, and making every effort, I think, to make responsible decisions in terms of what the implications are for that product when it gets to end use.